When the world stands on the edge of collapse, those with pure hearts will naturally find one another. There are moments in life when everything you once believed to be solid begins to feel fragile. Familiar values, systems once considered unshakable, start to tremble. You look out at the world, and you see war, disaster, chaos, human beings turning against one another. Trust erodes, day by day, piece by piece, and deep within, you begin to ask, what is happening to this world? There are times when you feel small, lost, like a lone vessel drifting across an endless ocean with no lighthouse in sight. But listen closely, for in the very moment when everything seems to be collapsing, something else is quietly unfolding. 1. The world is not only collapsing. You may believe the world is falling apart, but the deeper truth is this: everything that is no longer real is being revealed. Structures built on fear, systems sustained by control, values nourished by ambition, cannot endure forever. When they begin to crack, chaos emerges. People grow angrier, more extreme, more withdrawn. Not because they are evil, but because they are afraid of losing safety, afraid of losing meaning, afraid that everything they once leaned on is no longer there. But remember this: darkness never appears to win, it appears to be seen. 2. What a pure heart truly is. A pure heart is not naive. It is not untouched by pain. It is not a heart that has never fallen. A pure heart is a heart that has walked through darkness and did not become darkness. It is the one who still chooses kindness after being wounded, who still chooses love after trust has been broken. They do not need to speak loudly. They do not need to prove anything. They do not need to stand above others. They simply live in alignment with what they know is true. And because of that, they carry within them a different frequency. It does not need a name, but kindred hearts can feel it. 3. Why kindred souls will find each other. In times of chaos, connection no longer comes from logic, it comes from resonance. You do not find them through labels, through ideologies, through belief systems with names. You recognize them by the sense of safety in their presence, by silence that requires no explanation, by eyes that do not judge. Those with pure hearts do not gather for power. They gather because the truth within them vibrates in harmony, even if they have never met, even if they live worlds apart. They are all hearing the same quiet call: preserve your humanity while the world forgets it. 4. The true mission. You do not need to save the world. The world does not need more heroes. It needs human beings who do not betray their own hearts. Your mission is not to do something grand. It is to not abandon yourself, not sell truth for comfort, not allow pain to become hatred, not let fear decide your choices. Simply by living in truth, you become a light. And when enough lights are lit, darkness does not need to be defeated. It dissolves. Beloved souls who are listening, if you are hearing these words, this is not coincidence, not chance. It is because your soul is ready to remember. Long ago, before you took this form, before you forgot who you are, you chose to step into a world dense with fear, to preserve what this world was about to lose, the light of a pure heart. Now, as old pillars collapse, as truth is laid bare, as darkness reveals itself, the call has been activated, not to fight, not to confront, not to save anyone, but to be present. Walk forward with courage. Do not be afraid. Fear does not belong to you. It is only the final mist before light appears. The time has come. The time has come for you to ignite your own light. No borrowing, no permission, no waiting for approval to shine. That light has never gone out. It has only been waiting for you to remember. Walk with an honest heart. Stand in truth without trembling. Live as if the light within you is the most sacred gift you have ever been given, for that very light brought you here, and that same light will guide other souls who are still searching through the night. You will find one another. No names required, no signals needed. Light recognizes light, and when pure hearts gather together, a new world does not need to be built. It reveals itself. Now is the moment. Stand. Step forward. Let your light be seen. Ignite your own light, for the eternal glory you seek has never been outside of you.